See that thing right there where my finger is? That's the monument. That's supposed to be the height the flames were in the tower in the fire of London. That's how high they went apparently. Some poles in the back, you can just about see the top of it. There you go, the map.
Tower Bridge, South London Corridor.
Oh, these are the prices, look. Let's go inside the tower. The Tower Bridge, go look around. Student in seniors $13.50, youth child disabled.
Okay, 没问题。
Food for address, cool, that's good. 2 adults, 3 children, £56. Right, that's quite a lot. 2 adults, 2 children, 48. 2 adults, 1 children, 40. 1 adult, 2 children. Right, 1 adult, 2 children, yeah, 30. It's a lot of money. But still. Under 5's free, companion 1 per disabled person free. Child £9, youth $13.50. Well, there you go. I think you get a walk around inside if you do that. I'm not sure about if you can walk across those walkways. You might be able to. But I do believe you can walk around in town, bits up there. Yeah, you can't beat London when it's sunny, in my opinion. You know, I've been to a lot of places. We've got such history, you know. Not like I love Thailand and places like that, but they've got their own sort of culture. It's beautiful as well. What we've got ours. It's like anything when you live somewhere, you don't really appreciate it, do you? It's like, for me now, going away is I appreciate everything I see. I try to now, I'm sort of retired now, semi-retired. So I've got more time to go and do these things. Why not? A bit of fun. Let's get a better view of the HMS Belfast. There we go. It's a nice view of the bridge itself from the side. Ah, look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Crikey. Ah. You wouldn't want to fall down there, would you, really? There we go. You can see where they lift it, sections, look. A bit further up I think, you can see the joints. There's loads of these tour buses, you can get tours all over London. Oh, you can see the post office tower there, look. Right through there, where HMS Belfast is, go up that way with my finger, that's the post office tower. Only a little one. I don't know if you know how well you can see it. That's a nice walk down there, along the embankment there. You can end up near, go past the HMS Belfast, takes you up to London Bridge. It's a nice little eating places and drink and ice cream and sit down on the grass over there. Yeah, you can chill out. It's really, really nice. Right, nearly back. Just been up one side and down the other. Back to where we came, so we came up that side. This just takes you down to Tower Bridge Road. Okay, on our way out. Let's try and film up there now. Look at how solid that stone is. I mean, gee, because when they made this, incredible. The craftsmanship back then was unbelievable. Look at that, solid, look. It's pretty cool. It's proper granite.
Downstairs, turn to your right. Upstairs, turn to your left. Tower Hill Station. Thank you so much. And then when you get to the station, you go to
A lot. How many rivets did they use to build the bridge? A lot. That sign said. Well, you can see all the rivets there, look. Probably similar to the ones they use on the Titanic, but luckily it can't hit an iceberg. You can see, look at that. That's incredible. Solid old steel. Okay, now I'm going back now, so I'll sign off. Hope you enjoyed it. You know, it's a little snapshot of Tower Bridge and London on a beautiful sunny day. Anyway, okay, take care, over and out.